Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels for an RV that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium performer, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt, 12-volt. This is a compact and versatile solution designed for maintaining 12-volt batteries, making it perfect for RV owners who need a trickle charger for extended trips. Featuring a high conversion efficiency of 21 to 30%, this unit ensures your batteries stay topped up whether you're off-grid or simply parked for the long term. The inclusion of an 8A smart charge controller with 3-stage charging ensures safe and efficient battery management, preventing overcharging and short circuits. The solperk panel is built to last with a low iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. It's 100% waterproof and can withstand diverse weather conditions, including sandstorms, thunderstorms, and heavy snow. Weighing only 3 pounds and measuring 15 by 13.2 inches, this panel is compact and portable. The adjustable 360-degree mounting bracket helps you position the panel for optimal sunlight exposure, a thoughtful feature for RVs that may not always be parked in ideal sunlight. While the solperk kit is excellent for battery maintenance, it's not powerful enough to run larger appliances or heavy-duty systems. It's best suited for users who need a lightweight, cost-effective solution to maintain smaller setups. The fact that it includes all the necessary components for easy installation, like alligator clips and mounting pieces, is a big plus. However, for those seeking higher wattage or more robust power options, you may want to explore the higher-ranked products on our list. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and suitability for battery maintenance, while its limited power output is the primary downside. At number 4, we have the Zoop W100 Portable Solar Panel, a versatile and durable option designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With an impressive 23.5% conversion efficiency, this panel uses premium A+ monocrystalline silicon solar cells to harness maximum energy, even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. Its ETFE coating ensures durability and makes it waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to harsh weather, making it a reliable companion for RV trips, camping adventures, or even emergencies like hurricanes. The Zoop W panel comes equipped with multiple output ports, including USB-A, Type-C, and solar connectors, which makes it compatible with a wide range of devices and power stations. Its foldable design, magnetic handle, and lightweight build, just 9.48 pounds, make it incredibly portable. The included kickstands allow you to set up the panel in seconds and adjust it for optimal sunlight exposure. However, while the panel is waterproof, the control box is not, so you'll want to ensure it remains dry to extend its lifespan. This solar panel is a great choice for campers or RV owners who value portability and multi-device charging capabilities. However, it doesn't store power on its own, so you'll need to pair it with a compatible power station or battery. Pros include its high efficiency, rugged build quality, and user-friendly design. On the downside, its control box's vulnerability to water and its moderate output capacity may limit its use for larger setups. Overall, it's a solid choice for those prioritizing portability and versatility. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Renogy 200-watt, 12-volt portable solar panel. This foldable solar panel suitcase is an all-in-one solution for those who need higher power output for off-grid adventures. The kit includes 2 100-watt panels, a waterproof 20A Voyager charge controller, and alligator clips, making it a plug-and-play option for RVs, camping, or emergency power. With a conversion efficiency of 22.5%, this panel ensures optimal energy generation and safe battery charging. The build quality is top-notch with a rugged canvas protective case and durable aluminum frame. Weighing 34.4 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other options on this list, but its foldable design and carry handle make it reasonably portable. The adjustable kickstands allow for easy setup and angle adjustment, ensuring you capture the most sunlight. The included charge controller offers multiple protection mechanisms, including overcharging and short-circuit prevention, adding an extra layer of safety. This panel is ideal for users who need a higher wattage solution, but still want portability. It's well-suited for charging power stations, running small appliances, and keeping your RV battery in top condition. However, its heavier weight and higher price point might deter those looking for a more budget-friendly or lightweight option. Pros include its high power output, robust build quality, and complete kit, while cons include its weight and price. It's a great middle ground option for serious RVers or campers. At number 2, we have the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel, a premium option designed for those who need robust power and excellent durability. With a conversion efficiency of 23.5%, this panel is made with grade A solar cells and ETFE material to deliver consistent, reliable performance. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and dust, making it an excellent choice for outdoor use. This panel is lightweight at just 17.6 pounds, and its foldable design makes it easy to transport and set up. It features multiple output ports, including USB-A, Type-C, and an industry-standard solar connector, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The magnetic closure and included mounting holes make it versatile for various setups, whether on an RV, a tree, or the ground. However, while it's weather-resistant, it's not fully submersible, so prolonged exposure to water should be avoided. This panel is perfect for RV owners, campers, and anyone needing a reliable, high-output solar solution. While its price tag is on the higher side, you're paying for top-notch efficiency, portability, and build quality. Pros include its high efficiency, lightweight design, and multi-port charging capability. The main drawback is its premium price, but it's well worth it for those who demand the best. Finally, at the top of our list, taking the number 1 spot is the Renogy 100-watt solar panel N-Type. This panel is the perfect blend of affordability, efficiency, and durability, making it a standout choice for RV owners. With an unmatched conversion efficiency of 25%, it delivers exceptional performance, generating 20 watts more power than conventional panels of the same size. The advanced 16BB cell technology enhances efficiency and minimizes hotspots, ensuring a longer lifespan. The build quality is excellent, with low iron tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, offering durability in all weather conditions. Its lightweight design, at just 13 pounds, makes it easy to handle and install, whether on an RV rooftop or a portable setup. The IP65 protection ensures it can withstand rain, snow, and heat, making it a reliable choice for off-grid adventures. What sets this panel apart is its unbeatable value. At just $76.49, it offers premium-grade efficiency and durability at a budget-friendly price. It's ideal for RV owners who want a reliable power source without breaking the bank. Pros include its high efficiency, lightweight design, and affordable price. The only downside is that it's a single panel, so you may need to purchase additional units for larger power needs. Overall, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to get the best performance for their money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best solar panel for your RV. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these products, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.